Introducing the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado HD. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get the features you need and the comfort and style you've been hoping for. This well-equipped vehicle is an excellent value and will help you make the most of every drive. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, satellite radio, bed liner, four-wheel drive, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, fog lamps, premium sound system. Feel the satisfaction that comes from optimizing your driving pleasure. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.